In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Brevo for email marketing. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to Brevo's website. This is where you'll begin your email marketing journey. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to access your dashboard. For those who are new, you'll want to create an account first. Brevo usually provides a straightforward sign-up process. Now that you've logged in, direct your attention to the Campaigns tab, which is typically located at the top or along the side menu depending on your interface. Click on Create a Campaign. This will take you to a screen where you can start building your email campaign. It's here that Brevo offers different types of campaigns, so take a moment to choose the one that suits your needs. For instance, you could select a regular campaign if you're sending a standard email blast, or an A/B test if you intend to compare different versions of your emails. After selecting the type of campaign, it's important to name your campaign. Naming conventions can be quite helpful for future reference, especially when managing multiple campaigns. Alongside naming, you'll be prompted to select your sender information. This includes both the sender name and the email address from which your emails will appear to be sent. Make sure this information reflects your brand appropriately, as it's key to instilling trust in your recipients. Next, it's time to dive into customizing your email campaign. This part may take a bit more time, but it's crucial for creating a compelling email. You'll start by setting up or updating various elements. These include defining the sender, choosing your recipients, crafting a catchy subject line, designing your email, and configuring any additional settings that might be necessary, such as sending limits or tracking preferences. When it comes to designing your email, Brevo offers flexibility. You can choose from existing templates if you want a quick and polished look. Alternatively, if you have a specific vision in mind, you can create your design from scratch. Brevo provides several editing options: a drag-and-drop editor, a simple editor for more straightforward needs, or even HTML custom code for those who want full control over their design. As you near the end of the setup process, you'll want to either preview and test your email or schedule it for sending. Previewing allows you to see how your email will appear to your recipients, which is vital for catching any last-minute errors or layout problems. Testing can also ensure that all links and elements function correctly. If everything looks good and you're happy with the setup, you can choose to schedule the campaign. Decide when you want your emails to be sent, and Brevo will handle the rest. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using Brevo for your email marketing needs. By following these instructions, you'll be able to craft and dispatch effective email campaigns that resonate with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy email marketing!